welcome back to sophieglamzxo. Right now, I'm going to be rating my friend's Fidgets. Hello. We just filmed a video.
That's so great.
So make sure you go to our video. She doesn't have a channel.
No. We're gonna pick randomly. Okay, we're picking randomly.
She's picking randomly.
Okay, I have to put all these Fidgets in there.
By the way,
wait, where's the purple thing?
By the way, like I said in the last video, let's see if we can get to 200 or like 115. I don't really care.
Okay, I want to start with this.
In a little, so yeah. At least get me to 110 by tonight. Okay, so this is the first Fidget. It's like this.
It's cool. I like it. It's kind of fuzzy though.
Yeah, that's good.
It's cute.
It's like a dimple. You can literally hear my brother's friend. But I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 because it's flimsy. Like.
Okay. I'm gonna Fidget that one.
I love this. So it's like this macaroon stack Fidget. It's a squishy.
These are not all my Fidgets. These are just the Fidgets I brought.
And I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 because okay, next.
Well, I'm randomly picking. Give me these.
Put the pile right there of what we've already done. Okay, this is a pineapple poppet.
Pineapple. Okay,
I'm trying to show you, but it's really hard.
I'm gonna look at your.
Yeah, I like this. It's really good.
Your hair was so short.
But that's my brother's, I think.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, that's the guy who's over right now.
There's so many people in his class.
No, that's not his whole class. But anyway, well, it's not his. Okay, whatever. We'll talk about that later. But I give this a 7 out of 10.
Wait, those are all 3 classes?
Oh yeah, I like it.
Wait, what was she? What was he in?
Mr. Pringle.
Like,
Okay, next one.
Pick one. Just pick one.
Pineapple poppet.
That's not pineapple. That's a popsicle.
Wait, why did I say pineapple? Popsicle. I'm not a really big fan.
David Davina Martinez.
Okay, just stop saying stuff. Okay, I give this a 6 out of 10. I don't really like the popping. Alright, I'm gonna pick next. Next, I have this snapper. That's mine.
You're welcome.
I don't really like it, so 4 out of 10. Next is this simple dimple.
What the heck is this?
10 out of 10. I tried to make it and it failed. Okay, next is dimple digits. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love dimple digits.
I'm going to eat your Fidgets next.
I only have 3 Fidgets right now.
Whatever. Your squishmallows.
I like it. I like it. I really like
it. Your squishmallows.
I like it. 10 out of 10.
I like it. I love it. And everything about it.
Snail.
Awesome.
Wow. Snail poppet.
Ow!
I'm gonna give
yearbooks and dance.
6 out of 10. I don't really like it. I don't know. It's cute. It's definitely adorable.
Wait, I'm gonna try and find something later.
I'm on like almost every page. Okay, next is this cake squishy.
You in Space Jam.
10 out of 10 because it's so nice and soft.
Okay. Oh, she only had a 1 number change.
Yeah, really nice. Okay. Well, no, she was just in the beginning of that dance. But this is a rainbow poppet. I had this, but I had a similar one, but this is definitely an 8 out of 10 because it's much better than my old one.
You're in a lot of dances.
I know. Next is French fry squishy. It's super nice and cute. Like, look at that face.
I'm going to next year be in Pee-wee. So then at Pee-wee's where you can do a competition team. So we can do a competition and go to Disney dance. Because for my dance studio, we can go to Disney and compete if we dance.
Well, I give this a 6 out of 10 because it's not the best squishy, but it's really adorable. Ow!
Did anyone have a 1 number change?
Yeah, I did.
Well, like, no. Oh, wait. Did anyone have a no number change?
This like mini poppet. It says
Were you
BFF.
any duets?
I was not.
You're not?
I like it.
Did you have a solo?
6 out of 10. I might have one this year. Butterfly, dimple. Immediately, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because it's pretty stiff. If it wasn't as stiff, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Next is this cute mini poppet. I love it. It's adorable. So 9 out of 10. I just don't really. It's
Our
pretty
lighting.
small.
I wish in my room it's the same way. We have such bad lighting. How do you turn this off?
Don't. There's a light switch, but don't.
Rude. Oh, I see her.
I love this. Already 10 out of 10. Except I don't like the head. Anyways, next. This, I don't like these poppets.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like these poppets. So 3 out of 10. Awful.
Oof.
This pineapple, I felt it before the video, and I'm going to give it an 8.5 because it's stiff on one side, but the other side's amazing.
I got this.
Yeah, don't show it. Whale poppet, I'm in love with whales.
I went to get the desk acrylic nails.
That's my sister's.
Why did you She has etc. because of course she needs etc.
I like this. 7 out of 10.
Are these your
big.
clothes?
No, they're my mom's. But one of the dresses is mine.
Where are
Yeah.
your clothes?
Next, this bigger little spinner.
Wait, where are your clothes?
They are not in my room yet. It's a spinner, but like it doesn't spin it right in my hand. Oh, there's one more thing.
Oh, you have tie-dye stuff?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, like, I was like, dude, what?
Infinity Cube, 9 out of 10.
No,
'cause
this
it's
is
cute.
probably you, so if you're probably like, oh, I want to be tie-dye.
Yeah. That's all.
It's so cute.
You got me that.
I got you this.
Yeah. Well, that's it for today.
don't
Stay tuned
remember.
for some shorts later.
I don't remember me getting this for you.
Yeah. Bye.